It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So the unit we're reviewing today is this beautiful unit right here, and it's by Sensationnel. It's part of their butter lace, and I'm having the unit in the style butter units 38 in the color balayage latte. So in there you see the little differences about the butter unit. On the back you have different colors, and this unit was sent to me by Black Hairspray, so thank you for sending me this unit. I love it. First of all, it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It has an ear to ear lace, and it has a middle part, so you can, you can shift it, but I don't know how it would look because it's a middle part, and I'm here for it. The lace was very easy to blend, very easy, and I used heat on it to lay the part down. And it is ear to ear, but just a little bit, like just a little bit short, like just a tiny bit. And I would say I don't think she's big hair friendly because it is very snug right now. Even I have my wig grip on, but it is like squeezing my head. Okay, like that's the part in space. And she is not glued down, y'all. She's not glued down at all, which is pretty nice. And I plugged the hairline. Did I have to do that? No, I did not, but I think it gives it a little bit more. Online you can find this unit for about $40, depends on the color you choose, but I like it. For shedding, it was not shedding when I got it, when I took it out of the pack, but after I plucked it a little bit, it is shedding just a tiny bit. I'm getting strands here and there, and I had to, like, when I combed the hair out, I had to use a little bit of water so the curls can, get back together. It has a tight curls, as you see right here. The curls are very tight, but in the front they're loose because I did comb it and from all the, yeah. But I do like the tight curls. I love it, and the color is just a plus. Like, look at the highlights. I am here for it. Tangling, it is gonna tangle because it is a synthetic color unit, so it's definitely gonna tangle. And she is pretty long. She is pretty long, so just watch out for that. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. Yeah, for me, myself, and I, we're here for it. We're here for the color. So let me know what you're thinking about her in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man thing.